Hello everyone. Thank you. I hope you can hear me. Thank you. So first of all, I could see everyone is alive. So that tells me you are all successful in 2020. And I wish you to be have a great successful of 2021 as well. So I understand the fact that wearing mask is safety and it is mandatory, but not at the cost of your life. Because I see people, they wear mask all over the as they travel, and then when they wake up, they put on the mask on the first thing, even before they have brush. And finally, they are doing inside the mask. Dude, that's more dangerous. You will be killed by your own bacteria. Imagine how your death certificate will look like. Cause of the death, coughing inside the mask without having a brush. And whenever there's a problem, there is an engineer. So me being an engineer, what I suggest is we can directly try drinking sanitizer every morning. So my name is Sundar and I am from a district called Madurai in Tamil Nadu. You know what, place doesn't matter. Because whatever place I'm going to say, you will still address me as Chennai Wala. Oh, Chennai Wala hai na. But this happens to me as well. Like if you say that you are from Gorakhpur, I will still reply back, some random North Indian guy from Nepal. As I grow up, I understand the fact that the only thing that unites North Indians and South Indians, it is not the Rajdhani Express, nor the Rajinikanth jokes, but it is only the Madhya Pradesh. Yes, because to all South Indians, anything above Madhya Pradesh is North India. And to all North Indians, anything below Madhya Pradesh is South India. They don't care whether it is Karnataka, Kerala, or Tamil Nadu. And the funniest part is to all the foreign countries, right? For them, anything below Madhya Pradesh is Sri Lanka. They think Rameswaram is the capital of Sri Lanka and PV Sindhu is the younger sister of Kumara Sangakkara. And hey, I am not mentioning Middle East here because you all know Middle East is invented by Kerala. That's where Kailash is from. But I also had a privilege to work with a North Indian friend in Chennai. So he once asked me, bro, take me to some place in Chennai where I can feel so connected. So I immediately took him to the nearby Pani Puri shop. Trust me guys, he was so connected. He was chatting with him in Hindi for 20 minutes. Now I also wanted to contribute, but the only Hindi that I know is, Bhaiya, ek aur plate Pani Puri de do na. Now he was like, he came back. So then I told him, bro, are you satisfied? You were talking to him in Hindi. Now he said, bro, it was Bhojpuri. For me, it doesn't matter, man. Whether it is Hindi, Bhojpuri, or Bengali, Delhi, everything is the same. And I also want to tell about his level of transition. Like when he came to Chennai, he was reading the books of authors like Amitav Ghosh, Arundhati Roy. And then finally, when he moved out of Chennai, he started reading Chetan Bhagat and Preeti Shanai. And at last, like I am from South India, and being a South Indian, or to be more precise, being a son to my dad, the only possible way that I can visit North India is when I play the business. Like you guys play the business, right? So I've been to Patna, I've been to Delhi, only when I play the business. But what I don't like is whenever I play business with North Indian guests, right? So they will start acting like the Arya Stark of Game of Thrones. Like whenever they came to Chennai, like if I ask, brother, do you want to buy Chennai? Not today. That's been my time, guys. Thank you. Giving back to your host.